Welcome to Make It Easy. In this video, I have brought for you a very easy recipe for the Namkeen Layered Mathri. These Mathri are flaky, crispy, and more tasty than the ones you get from the market. To know the easy recipe to make this Namkeen Layered Mathri at home, watch this video till the end. Take 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin. 1/4 teaspoon of thyme or ajwain. And 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji. Give it a good mix. And now add 4 tablespoon oil. Mix all the ingredients well and keep mixing till the dry ingredients hold shape like this. Now gradually add some warm water, approximately half a cup or 3/4 of a cup. The dough should not be too soft, otherwise the mathri will not become crisp. Now apply some oil on the crust. Now cover it and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, take 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can take vanaspati, and to this add 1 tablespoon of flour, maida. Mix it well till it gets a smooth consistency. This is how it should look, and it will act as a shortening that we are going to use for layering. Now after 10 minutes, take the maida out. Knead it a bit, not too much. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. And now roll out a roti from each of the portions. Now apply some shortening over it. Now apply some shortening on the half. Fold it. Do the same with this half too. Fold it again to give it a triangular shape. And slightly roll it. Now prick it using a fork on both the sides so that while frying it does not rise. When all the matris are done, you need to heat some oil in a pan for frying. And drop the matris one by one. Cook all the matris on a low flame, medium low flame, so that they become nicely brown and crispy. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on one side and then flip them. Then it should take only 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Once they are nice golden brown, you can take them out. Serve the matris hot as a tea time snack with your favorite dip. Trust me, they are way too tasty and crispier than the market bought ones. And they have got the perfect flakiness, which I am going to show you. Here I am rubbing it in a tissue to show you how minimal oil the matris have absorbed. The tissue is almost clean, as you can see, and now it's time to open the layers. And it's perfectly coming out each layer. You can hear its sound to know the crispiness yourself.